In this video we are presenting how to run Jupyter IPython notebook remotely on the engineering VDI server. Start by opening your browser and connect to view.angelo.edu. Then select the VMware Horizon HTML access. Put your username and password. Select the engineering option. You will probably only have that one. And voila, you have successfully logged into the VDI server. You can share your files in different ways. One that I found very convenient is to use the OneDrive from Microsoft. There is an icon in the desktop. You click on that icon and it will synchronize your files to the virtual server. Now, when you open your Explorer, you can see that the OneDrive is already located there, additional to the local C drive, which is from the VDI server and you don't have much space, and your P drive that is the university drive. Then from the Windows menu, you open Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. And it will open a browser window where you can see all the folders, including the OneDrive from Angelo State University. Then click on that and you will open the folder where you can create another folder or you can create a new file, like in this case a Python 3 notebook. So we have our notebook and we can start write commands like, for example, print hello friend, and Shift Enter will execute it. We can also use it as a calculator. 3 plus 2 Shift Enter equal 5. We can save the file or we can rename it by clicking on the name. If you select the tab with the Jupyter file browser, you will find the recently saved file, and then you can share it with your professor or archive it for future reference.